The technology we just learned about provides the means for sharing knowledge, but we also need to motivate people to use it. After all, the success of the system depends on people's willingness to share what they've learned. If people don't trust the system, they're less likely to share. So reward people for sharing and encourage others to access stored information. If possible, design or reconfigure office spaces to encourage collaboration and allow people to at least see each other during the day. For example, providing conference rooms for small groups to meet and discuss their projects, lowering the height of cubicle walls, or grouping desks together so that people face one another. Another strategy is to establish communities of practice, or COPs, to encourage employees to meet with other employees who share their interests. Members from each group learn from one another, and they also document that learning for future members to use as well. The final strategy worth mentioning is after-action reviews. After a team completes a project, for instance, they discuss what went well and why, and what didn't go so well and why. These lessons can be extremely important to not only the group and the individual members, but also to the entire organization, like the U.S. military or hospitals. Instead of keeping new knowledge inside the team, knowledge management attempts to collect it, store it, and leverage it in a way that benefits other people, other groups, other units, other divisions.